With the price of $129,900, this powerful and handsome bike is built for experienced riders who wish to bring their riding experience to another level. Perfect for the working class who wants a superior, yet comfortable ride to work and an exciting leisure bike for fun rides, or even track day on weekends. Welcome to Milgarage channel. The GSX-S150 is a naked version of the GSX-R150 and is powered by the same engine as its sibling. The 147.3 cubic centimeter 4-stroke, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled DOHC engine generates 18.9 horsepower of power at 10,500 RPM and 14 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM. This responsive engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. This naked bike boasts a sporty look that is complemented by a muscular fuel tank and an aerodynamic front cowl. Suspension setup consists of telescopic forks at the front and swing arm on the rear. As for the safety, Suzuki has equipped this bike with disc brakes on both ends. The GSX-S150 has a seat height of 785 mm. The front tire size is 90 by 80 R17 and rear tire size is 130 by 70 R17. Features chassis, suspension, and brake include swing arm rear suspension, telescopic fork front suspension, disc front brake, disc rear brake, dual step seat type, side wings and backbone body frame type. Features for console include digital odometer, digital fuel gauge, digital speedometer, trip meter, tachometer, oil change indicator and display screen.